you, and we are the Krazy 2 with the K. Well, as you see, we're in the kitchen, and today we are going to make a Bhakhri pizza.
That sounds yummy.
So come on, guys, we're going to show you the ingredients.
So this is the pizza sauce and this is the Bhakri.
And this is regular cheese, and this is mozzarella cheese, and this is green pepper, onion, and cilantro. And this is jalapeno.
So now we're going to make our Bhakri pizza.
So first you get the Bhakhri.
Yep.
Then you take a little bit or a lot of sauce
And spin it around on your Bhakri.
and put it around
Which
like
pizza
this.
side?
It's literally just like a pizza, but on a Bhakhri.
Yeah. Let's get more.
Okay,
Mine's almost finished.
moving on.
There we go.
I am going to use the green pepper, onion, and cilantro, and Yana is going to use the cheese.
Yes, on the cheese everywhere. I actually want to eat the cheese.
So yummy cheese. So now I'm going to put this jalapeno cheese. Now a little bit of mozzarella cheese.
I'm gonna get some of this cheese.
And now jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
And I don't eat this.
Me neither. Now I'm going to get this. And put it.
And maybe a tad bit more cheese. You can never have too much cheese. Never.
Get some of this everywhere you go.
There.
I paid Jazzle.
My pizza's good. My pizza's good for business.
Hey you, mine's ready.
Well, so is mine, so let's warm it up. So now we are going to plug the griddle in. Flip it around. There we go. And change it to 300. And we are going to let this warm up for a little while. We'll be right back. After the cheese melts, that's when we take the Bhakhri pizza off the griddle. So we're back, and now we're going to take off the lid and see if the pizza is melted. Looks like it is, and it looks real yummy. I'm going to take it off. Real hot. And real yummy. There you go. You can take it off now. Yeah, it's good. There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
It looks yummy. So we cut our pizza. Now, but it still looks really yummy. I just want to taste it, but it's hot.
Yeah,
So you have to be really careful.
So now we're going to eat it carefully because it's hot.
Yeah. It's so amazing.
It's so like literally 100% amazing.
I want another one.
Let me just eat all of them. Please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel.
Bye guys.
Before we leave, let's eat some pizza.
Bye guys.
Bye.
I hope your pizza's yummy.
Yeah.